Hi guys, we're playing a prank on my sister. And so we made a...
Should we just tell them to follow along?
Okay, follow along.
Okay, let's get her. Okay, here she comes. Whoops.
Okay, let's go down to the sports club.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Whoop. Okay. Love your shirt.
It says, I love Earth.
It says, I love Earth. Sorry, Lulu, come here. What are you showing, honey? Wait. Come. What? What is this thing?
Snake.
Is it? What is it? It's not a prank. Okay, I guess is that a prank fail?
Yes, prank fail.
Okay, we didn't get you this time. Give me 5 anyway.
You really got me.
We did?
I thought it was actually real.
You did at first?
Mm-hmm.
But now you want to make it your pet? Do you know what we did? We took all of our leftover Play-doh, look at it, even sparkles, and we just rolled it all together. Isn't that so cool?
No!
Don't hurt the snake! Okay. What do you guys want to say? Thanks for watching, and we will work on our pranks, hey? Hey, Miss Lulu?
Yes, we will.
Hey, Landi, do you want to do a prank against Lulu later? Landi?
I just slapped the ant with my hand.
Oh goodness. Okay, well we'll try. We'll keep working and try to make our pranks better. But this was super fun to make. If you have leftover Play-doh, mash it together and it makes the coolest colors and patterns. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, stop standing on it, please.
Okay.
Okay, have a great day.